if you have a high black and you want to get position for the red from this position, so the key mistake what players are making is they're aiming too low in the cue ball, and then they not only missing the black ball thick, usually, but if you play without side spin, then you tend to get cue ball too low if you play low, or if you don't aim low, then you tend to get too far away from the red and too close to the red. So in this case, if you want to make sure that cue ball goes this position right here, you have to aim with touch of left hand side, high on the cue ball or just above center, touch of left hand side, and play with the small backswing, soft, aiming a little bit thinner to the black. Okay? So just small backswing, play the black, and you get back position for the red. So remember, just use touch of helping side on the cue ball, because that allows, if you play center deflect cue ball right there, it allows you to pot ball better. If you aim low on the cue ball, then you have to aim a little bit different on the object ball, which means that you have to aim even thinner than this because of the throw. It means how the cue ball deflects after hitting to the specific spot. So just aim around the center, touch of left. The throw is not gonna be big and you're gonna still pot the ball and make position. So again, touch of left hand side. Make sure that you have a loose grip because that helps you to hit the ball better. And that's it. And on the most tables, you're gonna have a consistent position to play.